Hello everybody, I'm Brooke, Christina, and welcome to another episode of Hoarders. I'm totally kidding, but today I'm doing a cleaning and decluttering my bedroom. You guys don't see a lot of the time, but my bedroom's a royal disaster. Like, yeah, it's bad. I'm really good at hiding it in my videos. So I thought I would do a bit of spring cleaning, even though it's currently snowing outside. Be sure to let me know if you guys enjoy these videos because I will definitely do more. I'm a very messy person, so cleaning is something I regularly have to do, but I don't regularly do. So maybe if I vlog it, maybe I'll be more of an organized person, but I hope you guys enjoy it. I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win a kiss. If you want some, never, just let me know. I'm so sorry, the lighting's starting to get really bad. It's getting dark outside, so I'm using my flashlight from my phone, but I thought we should chat for a little bit, do like a little life update while I'm cleaning. How do you guys like my lights? I put these up like a month ago maybe, and they've been in the back of my videos, and I thought they were cute. Are you ready to see my closet? This is like a mini closet tour. Hey guys, yeah, my closet's a disaster. Look that bad because you guys can't see down here, but if you could, it'd be bad. I was telling my boyfriend earlier, I'm not home much, so I kind of feel like this is like my dumping ground. I come home, I dump my stuff, and then I just leave again, which is really bad because it gets really messy. I need to go through all of this and donate so much stuff because I literally don't have any more closet space. It's to the point where I literally need 2 closets to hold all my clothes because I got a lot of shit. I used to have a clothing rack when I had my own apartment. If you guys have been watching me since like my 2nd year of college, so if you've been following me for the past 2 years, you probably remember that clothing rack. It was lovely, but I donated that to my old roommate, Michaela Noel. Shout out to her. She's a YouTuber. If you guys want to go check her out, I'll leave her channel below. But I kind of miss that thing. I kind of wish I had another one, but whatever. That one broke like a bunch of times. Oh wow. For a second I was like, what the hell is this? It's literally a cape. I'll show you guys. It's cheap as hell. It's like something I got randomly, but oh my god. Oh, these are actual pockets. Nice. It could be cute with the right thing. Obviously not with what I'm wearing, but It's cheap as hell. Could be nice in the summer. It's really light. I don't know. This is me like justifying my clothes. I know I should get rid of these things, but you never know when it's gonna come in handy. It's getting the privilege of going on a hanger. Not a lot of my clothes get the privilege of going on a hanger. If you guys could see all of right here, a lot of my clothes end up on this bench that you can't see, or beside my laundry bin, even if it's not dirty. I'm one of those girls. It's not, I don't know. So you guys know I used to work with Zaful a lot. I have so many bathing suits from Zaful and I need to go through them because I'm not gonna wear half of them. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should do a giveaway for some of my Zaful bathing suits or if I should just donate them, because I don't really know. All of them I'm pretty sure are either in a size small or medium, so I don't know. If you guys think I should do a giveaway, let me know. My channel's not really doing the best lately, if y'all couldn't tell. So I haven't really been able to reach 20,000 or 25,000 subscribers to do a giveaway, but still hanging on. I'm still believing. I'm not giving up on my channel or you guys. I just lose about 30 subscribers a day. It's really sad. Please share my channel with everybody you know. Putting all of my black bow swimwear in my closet. Shout out to them if you guys haven't seen my haul with them. Love them. Obsessed with all of these. Kind of wish I got a size medium bottom instead of a small, but next time I'll leave their website down below for you guys because they got great stuff. And if you guys, well, I'm falling over. If you want 10% off of your swimwear, I have a coupon code. It's Christina 10, I believe. I'll put it on the screen here so you guys can use it. I don't like the winter because that's when my closet gets full the fastest, obviously, because I got these sweaters and stuff. But I love sweaters, I love wearing them. Just, my closet doesn't like the capacity of them. This sweater's a pain in my ass too because it's like so wide that it always falls off the hanger unless it's placed like perfectly, which never happens. So how are you guys doing? My hair looks awful when it's behind my ears. I literally look like a little boy. I'm doing okay. If you guys have seen my recent video talking about my puppers, you would understand that lately I haven't been so okay. But like I said in that video, every day is different, and the past couple days I've been okay. I think in that video I just needed a good cry to like let it out, and I think the more I just allow myself to let it out, the better I get, and like the more I heal, if that makes sense. So I'm just accepting it every day, letting myself do whatever I need to do to process it, and it is what it is. I love her. I miss her. Chloe, you're my baby girl. I miss you dearly, babe, but I'll see you again one day when I join you. I swear all of my clothes are from Old Navy. Everything I'm picking up is like from Old Navy. This is my high school sweater. Not gonna show you guys because it's got the name on it, but it's like the cozy sweater I own. She stayed. And this is my first college sweater. Again, not gonna show you the name because then you'll know, but success. So many clothes. The store doesn't open because my laundry hamper is right here, and there's so much stuff right here. Fit. Oh my god. I'm gonna lose a finger doing this. Yes! I'm always so happy every time they stay because I can't tell you the amount of times they fall and then I can't get them up there, so then I have to get a chair and risk my life because I could fall to my death. But when they stay, I'm happy. Today's a good day, ladies and gentlemen. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I've been trying to do a lot of different type of content on my channel, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I definitely will be doing a lot more spring cleaning when spring comes closer because I have so many clothes I need to go through and donate, and yeah, so if you guys want more videos kind of like this one, let me know. I will definitely do that. I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and by the way, I'm so sorry I'm talking like way quieter than I normally do. My family's home and I don't like filming when they're home, so I talk very quietly so they don't hear me talking to a camera, even though they've known I've been doing YouTube for like 5 years, but it's okay. I hope you guys are having a lovely day, and I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.